Hey, what's up guys, Sarnav here. Welcome to my unboxing of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 3. This is the 16GB model with 2GB of RAM. This is how the box looks like. Inside the box we got this regular Xiaomi SIM ejector pin, warranty card, anti-user manual, micro USB cable for charging and data transfer, charging adapter. It has a 5V 2A output. It has a 5.5-inch Full HD display, 5MP front camera and 3 LED backlit buttons, micro USB port and microphone on the bottom, SIM slot on the left, volume rocker and power button on the right, 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster and a secondary microphone on the top. We have a 16MP rear camera, 12-tone LED flash and fingerprint sensor on the back, and the speaker grill on the bottom. Powering on the device, you will see that this device is running Xiaomi's custom UI, MIUI 7. MIUI 7 doesn't have an app drawer, so all your apps are placed on the home screen. So about phone, you can see that this device is running MIUI 7.1 and the Android version is 5.1.1 Lollipop. Uh, 2GB RAM, internal memory 16GB, out of which you get around 9.2GB free. So MIUI 7 comes with theme support with 5 default themes. Under display settings, there's a feature called reading mode. It turns your display yellowish and helps protect your eyes at night. So there's also colors and contrast settings. You can tune the color temperature according to your light and also the contrast. So now let's go ahead and check out the fingerprint sensor. Let's add a fingerprint. So to add a fingerprint, you have to place your finger on the sensor and remove it. You have to keep continuing the process until the whole setup is complete. It takes around 6-7 seconds. It's done. So as you guys can see that the fingerprint sensor is quite fast and accurate. It instantly unlocks the device as soon as you place it. So MIUI 7 also comes with this Google apps, and these are some other MIUI 7 apps like Mi Remote and others. So it's already showing that there's an update available, which I will do later. Here are some more apps like Facebook and WPS Office that comes pre-installed, also SwiftKey and Mi Store. So out of 2GB RAM, you get around 762MB of free RAM. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. So until next time, bye bye.